Viking Pump, creator of the internal gear technology, is proud to present the XPD 676 series, the first internal gear pump that is designed to satisfy the criteria in the current edition of the API 676 design standard without deviations. The XPD 676 is the ideal pump for reliability and full compliance with API 676 standards. The XPD 676 has distinct advantages that can assist within a broad range of applications, providing self-priming capabilities and excellent NPSHR characteristics. The flow rate is constant regardless of changes in the system pressure, and because the flow rate is directly proportional to speed, it can be accurately controlled using variable speed drives. The internals of the XPD pump consist of two gears that work together to move liquid through the pump. The gear within a gear principle consists of an outer gear called the rotor, which is driven by the shaft, and an inner gear called the idler, which rotates on the idler pin that is fixed onto the head. They are separated by a crescent just below the idler. This forms cavities between the gear teeth coming out of mesh, which creates a low pressure zone to pull the liquid in, move the liquid through the pump, and when the gears mesh, force the liquid out. By meeting API 676 standards, the XPD 676 series is ideally suited for oil and gas, refinery, petrochemical, and industrial market applications. With a broad viscosity and temperature range, they are capable of handling everything from 28 to 2 million SSU or 1 to 500,000 centistokes. With jacketing as a standard feature, the pumps can be used for melting ambient temperature solids like residual oils, bitumens, pitch, sulfur, resins, and polymers. The API 676 standard is the benchmark for positive displacement pumps in the oil and gas and petrochemical industries set by the American Petroleum Institute. The standards set by API 676 are a critical set of requirements in place to ensure the highest quality product is delivered safely and reliably for the application. When an oil refinery, gas processing, or petrochemical plant requests a pump designed and constructed to API standards, they need safety and reliability. These expectations are met with the XPD series. The safety features reduce the risk of leakage, fugitive emissions, corrosion, and thermal cracking. The reliability features ensure long service life and reduce the risk of unplanned downtime in critical process applications. The XPD series features high-strength materials of construction, with options to fit different applications. The pressure-containing components of the XPD 676 series are available in steel and other alloys. These components, consisting of the casing, head, and bracket, are designed with exceptional corrosion allowance. The weight and size of the XPD is a testament to its tough build, ensuring long-lasting operation, safety, and a resistance to thermal cracking. As a part of API 676 standards, the seal chamber accepts almost any brand or style of API 682 seal to enable compliance with your plant's seal standards. Single and double mechanical seal options are available, as well as a variety of API seal plants. Viking will work with you to confirm the desired seal is installed with the pump. The tapered roller-type thrust bearings are designed for a minimum 25,000 hour L10 life. They are grease lubricated with overfill protection. The bearing housing is designed to accept lip seals or labyrinth seals to prevent external contamination. With its robust design and API 676 compliance that warrants a long service life, the XPD has the exceptional quality standards that are common to all of Viking's pumps. Viking's high-quality standards, recognized by ISO 9001 certification, are repeatedly ensured through the company's vertically integrated manufacturing process. From the initial engineering analysis, through design layout, captive foundry casting and machining, to final assembly, testing, and shipping, Viking Pump has the tools, processes, and systems in place to accomplish these tasks in-house. Not only does this enable high-quality products and better control, but Viking is also able to quickly adjust and adapt to new and unique customer needs. When unplanned downtime can cost your plant $1 million a day, when minor fires and explosions can result in environmental issues and rising insurance costs, when the safety of your employees and contractors are at stake, your process equipment has to be the best available technology. For positive displacement pumps, that technology is the XPD 676 series by Viking Pump. With a commitment to the highest standards, Viking Pump proudly produces the highest quality pumps in the industry, associating the name with excellence and reliability. The XPD series is an example of this as the first internal gear pump that meets all API 676 standards, creating an outstanding positive displacement pump. If your application needs to meet API standards, Viking Pump is confident the XPD 676 series will exceed your expectations, offering full compliance with no deviations or exceptions.